Now I'm going to get you to pick a card for me first of all. Just say stop.
Stop.
Wonderful. And we're going to put that there and we'll come back to that in a little while. Right, leave that there. Now I have something here in this special lead line wallet, which is so dangerous. If it escaped, it could be the end of civilization as we know it, even more deadly than COVID. What is in this special wallet was developed by the US government in the 1950s, the height of the Cold War, as the ultimate weapon of destruction. But it was so dangerous, they decided to bury it in a lead-lined concrete bunker. But luckily, they let me borrow it every other weekend. Anyway, what is in this card, in this wallet, is Chameleon cards. Dun, dun, dun. No, not comedian cards. I don't tell jokes or anything. Chameleon cards. I'll show you what I mean. Now, they may look like normal blueback playing cards. And from the other side, they may even look like these strange Phoenix Jokers, but they are so much more. They can turn into whatever they touch. And you're probably wondering why I can hold them. Well, it's a mixture of my magic powers and years of my SAS training, which obviously I don't like to talk about. Now, you picked a card for me earlier. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll take one of our Chameleon cards and put it on the lead line wallet, one of our blue Chameleon cards. And I'm going to get a card you picked, which is the Queen of Hearts. Now, I'm going to put our Queen of Hearts there. I'm going to give it a little rub, and you'll see that all the cards turn red, which is pretty cool. But what's even more cool is the fact they all turn into the Queen of Hearts as well. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wow, the guy's a genius, but I bet he can't turn them back. Well, it's funny you should say that. Look, if I take our original card there, and I get our Chameleon card, and I give it a little rub, you'll see that all of our cards turn back to what they were, and they also turn blue. I'll tell you what, I better put these out of the way, because if I escaped, it could be the end of all of us. Thank you very much. Thank you.